Hello, September 13th. I am trying to kick out all my Halloween decor so I can start on my Kiss Christmas theme because I am making everything handmade. Um, but everybody wants Halloween right now. So here is another quick video of taking the Dollar Tree witch's hat that says boo on the front of it and just updoing it. Add your ribbon, various materials. And what I'll do today is keep it probably under $10 or less. And of course, just decorate it the way I always do with bows. And you want enough ribbon to create a 4 or 5 layer bow. And then you need some pipe cleaner. I use wire because I am always making jewelry and I always have this on hand, but you can use pipe cleaners. So let's get started. Let's heat up the hot glue gun. I have a 2 temp, high and low. I will start it on high, but then I will lower it to the low setting and watch the slideshow. I have some leftover material from my other wreaths, and I have already uploaded those videos to TikTok. So of course I will probably use this in one of my bow layers. I will probably end up creating 8 bows. Usually I create 8 because of the thickness of the ribbon. However, you can create at least 9 or 10 of them on the brim. And then of course you might want to place a bow up on the tip or just maybe a decoration. Let's get our coffee and watch the slideshow. Follow me on YouTube, and I'm on Facebook every day. Legacies, Little Luxuries. Just place that in the search button and look for me. See ya. I am going to cut all my ribbons 8 inches in length. Usually I cut them 9 to 10 to 11 to 12 inch. It just depends on what I want to make, but today it's 8 inches. Okay, after I cut up my material 8 inches, I take a piece of wire. I bend it in half because this is only a 26 gauge. So I try to make it stronger by bending it in half. Now, whatever you decide to use. So this will be my bottom piece. My next piece will be my printed piece. Then I'm going to add the glitter. And then I'm going to add this little black one. Okay? You find your center and just squish it together like this. Alright? And you take your wire and you go around it and make it tight. This is another reason why I like to use wire instead of pipe cleaners, because pipe cleaners are a little thicker, and with wire you can really get a good tight tie on it. So once you tie it like this, gather it in the back, fold it, and then twist it. Twist it around about 7 or 8 times, okay? And then you're ready to poke it through the brim of the hat. And just poke it through. Flip your hat over and twist. Cut excess wire so you don't poke anybody if you give this wreath to somebody, or you don't poke yourself. And there you have it. I'm going to do purple on this side and then orange on this side. Nothing has to be perfect in the art world. There is no rules. So that's what I'm going to do. Purple, and then you'll see orange on this side. Once all your bows are tied on the brim of the witch's hat, snugged and secured. And then you can start fluffing. You can take and grab the bottom and just move them around the opposite directions. Okay, and that helps you spread out the bows. Or you can take the wired ribbon, and this is why I like to use wired ribbon for the material, and curl it, creating a different effect. And it actually shows the printed instead. It just depends on what you want to do. Okay? Well, here is the witch's hat on the wall. And I left the hanger and the tag. So you can gift this. They'll believe that this is the way you bought it. But I have to go and turn off my hot glue gun because I didn't use those black ornaments. And so, since we didn't add any hot glue to anything and everything's wired on, you can place this one outside. Okay? It's not just an indoor easy peasy project. You can place this outside now. Whenever you glue hot glue items to wreaths, you have to watch your environment because hot glue can reheat in the sun. It can also crack and freeze in the cold. And you know what happens. Your project is destroyed. So, I'm going to go turn off my hot glue gun. And I'll see you in the next project. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit me up on Facebook. Legacy's Little Luxuries.